This is my spinach artichoke chicken casserole, which I know doesn't really look good, but you're just gonna have to trust me on this one because seriously, what casserole looks good? They all kind of look gross, but this one is amazing. First, we're gonna brown our chicken in a pan in olive oil, and while that's cooking, we're gonna get started on the rest of the casserole. It's a mix of Neufchâtel cream cheese, which is just like lower fat cream cheese, non-fat Greek yogurt, some cottage cheese. I really like this brand. Then we add in spices, garlic powder, salt, pepper, all the good stuff, artichokes, and obviously spinach. By that point, the chicken will be done cooking, so mix together the cheese and the veggies and then stir in the cooked chicken. Then put it in a pan and top it with more cheese. Then you're going to bake it in the oven until the cheese is melty and golden brown. And honestly, this tastes just like spinach artichoke dip, but it's high protein and it's super filling. It's great for an easy weeknight dinner. Get the recipe below and let me know what you think.